यार बढ़िया से लौटा दे, है ना? सही से भाई। Yeah. So it's December, favorite time for us, and I would say it's been a journey. You know, इसी campus में we had fun, we made memories. We have seen all the highs and lows as well from the very first day. आज तो जैसे लो ही है because we just got a pre-board marks and उसके साथ हमारी farewell assembly भी cancel हो गई. तो थोड़ा वीडियो का प्लान रुइन हो चुका है, बट बनानी तो थी, ट्रेडिशन जारी रखना है. So the main purpose of this video will be, क्या था purpose? Yeah. So the main purpose of this video is कि the batch is something to look back upon, and we have tried to include everyone, tried to, and उसी के साथ we have also kept it like not emotional because मेरे ख्याल से सब लोग already बहुत दुखी है, if that makes sense. So you know, yapping बंद करता हूँ मैं, and let's begin with the first thing. That was the trek जिसमें हम गए थे सेंट जॉर्जेस कॉलेज मसूरी on 15th of December 2025. ठीक था? कट कर दे भाई.
The sun keeps calling, and I've been chasing early. So give me the coffee in the morning, a kiss when she leave me to get my day started. So I breathe in life and get to another rhythm, then I'm in the flow. Sitting in the back line, waiting for the perfect one, and the waves came washed over me. And the waves came washed over me. Maybe I've been stalling, baby I just want curvy, just to keep it in your pocket, kisses when she needs me, loving in a locket. I wanna be water, skimming rock to my soul again, pebbles on Long Beach, slowly turning into sand, and the waves came washed over me. And the waves came washed over me.
कौन स्टार्ट कर रहा है? I start. Please continue. From 6th grade to 12th grade, 6 years with 2 years in COVID. I don't know how I survived school. I don't know how teachers let me survive school.
By not attending school.
They tried their best not to, but they tried their best not to let me attend school. They succeeded in 11th and 12th. But it was fun. See, school can never be replaced. I'm gonna miss this guy. And also this guy. And also the cameraman. Shout out cameraman. Thank you. What about me? Second cameraman also. See, school is fun when you have good friends. That's why I never had fun in school. Kill yourself, Ravi.
I mean, I always wanted to leave school, but now that I'm actually leaving school, it's kind of, sad.
It is sad.
Sad, and I didn't expect to, get out of this place so soon. I expected to stay here for like 35 more years, I guess. But now the reality is hitting me that, I'm
Last week.
last few days, and then it's all over.
का है, हाई स्कूल बहुत ड्रामेटिक होता है, बहुत सारा ड्रामा है, दोस्त बनेंगे, छूटेंगे एंड एवरीथिंग। इनफैक्ट नवेद्या मेरा अभी क्या 2 महीने पहले दोस्त बना है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ F1. So yes, there is too much drama. People will come and people will go, but you just have to move on. So yes, that's it. Keep moving on.
I think ever since LKG, when I got my admission at school, and I was this introvert little baby sitting in class LKG with Geeta ma'am, taking care of me and scolding me for not eating my tiffin, and always being so quiet and shy in class. Cut to 5th grade, when I gave my first debate, people were really shocked that I know how to speak and I actually have a voice. Then after that, I think so many debates, so many competitions, and so many people really helped me to shape what I am today, helped me to be what I am today. And they taught me how to be polite, they taught me how to come out of my shell, they taught me how to push myself in certain situations, and they taught me how to have fun. And my time in class 11 and 12, especially on the second floor Dooley block in Bio Lab, was truly amazing, and I can never forget that.
See, St. Joseph's Academy has not just been a home, it's been a place where I've understood who I am as a person. It's been a place where I've understood what exactly it is that I want to do later on in life, what exactly it is that I strive to become. And so St. Joseph's Academy has provided me with all those facilities. It has done everything that I would never have thought the school would have provided to me. And so when I entered high school, that's when I understood the value of the school. That's when I understood that okay, in 4 years I'd be leaving the school, and so I have to make the best out of it. And so St. Joseph's Academy has done exactly that for me. It's been a support system. It's been something that's stood by me these 12 years, and I'll forever be grateful for that.
I'm just gonna wing this. अभी तक hit नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन I've spent like 14 out of my 17 years in this world, in this place. So this is practically a second home, but I like to call it a first home. I've met like a different family here, the one that I created. I've met so many new amazing people. I've lost some friends along the way, but this has been just an amazing journey, and this has shaped the person I am today. So never gonna forget this place. Bye bye. That bye bye was so awkward.
So this feels weird. After 14 years of my life I spent in this school, and passing out like this, hitting the record button for the last time, it's definitely weird. A bit bittersweet if you say. I spent almost my whole life here. I played tennis, I made friends, I've lost friends, I've gained mentors, I've lost mentors. But this place has shaped me to what I am today. Maybe we learn how to lose, learn how to gain, learn to do everything here.
I think I'm going to miss everything, even the things I swore I hated. I'm going to miss the stairs that I've fallen from way too many times. I'm going to miss the tie that I swore that would kill me one day. And I complained about it every single morning. I think growing up, I'm not going to see the faces that lit up my day, the faces that became the reason why I actually started liking coming here. I used to hate school, I remember. Who doesn't, right? And then in junior school and say ki subah kyun utna hai, but after a point it became something I can't imagine my life without anymore.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, this was a being very careful with this one. Guys, this was our childhood dream to get a photo with this person. Come here, camera. Come here. Go there.
Are you going?
This is Mr. Charlie Kirk, and we are Charlie Kirk, and we have passed on our baton to him. अब से हमारी जगह ये स्कूल जाएगा. ये हमारे घर से स्कूल जाएगा.
भाई
Come here. पीछे जाओ थोड़ा.
चलो नाउ कट टू फेयरवेल
Thank you so much.
हो गया We actually study, unlike you guys who are just like doom scrolling all the day.
As the head girl, delivering my last speech.
स्कूल वॉज जस्ट अ फेज इन आवर लाइव्स। और अगर ऑनेस्टली बोला जाए तो 10 साल बाद आई थिंक 99% ऑफ आवर स्कूल लाइफ हमें याद में नहीं रहने वाली। टाइम के साथ ये सब धीरे धीरे फेड हो जाता है। एंड इट रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ दैट लाइन फ्रॉम द ऑफिस, आई विश देयर वॉज अ वे टू नो यू आर इन द गुड ओल्ड डेज बिफोर यू हैव एक्चुअली लेफ्ट देम। पर जो 1% होता है वो कभी फेड नहीं होता। वो यादें होती हैं जो हमने अपने साथ ले जाती हैं, आवर फ्रेंड्स, आवर टीचर्स, और वो रोज़ के सिंपल बोरिंग से मोमेंट्स जो इसी जगह पर हमने जिए। Somewhere along the way, without even trying, we stopped being just classmates and became a family. I know it's time to move on, पर शायद हम सबके दिल का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा इस जगह ने हमेशा के लिए अपने पास रख लिया है। This was the batch of 2026. Signing off.
जे तू लभदा वफा फिरदा नी लभनी, रूप दूजा सजा दा सजन सजनी। जदों अपना बेगाना होया तकदे आई, फिर रोंदियां नूं थां नी तैनूं लभनी लभनी लभनी। असीं दीवाने बस ते साडे को खजाने नहीं, ते जिन्हां को खजाने नहीं लाउंदी उन्हां नाल याराने ने। दुनिया मतलबी दुनिया सुन के ना कर अनसुनिया, फिर कहीं ना तू दस्या नी सुन ओ गल सुन दिल भर जानी। जग वफा तेरी नादानी, ना को तेरे गम दा हानी, राज झूठे झूठी रानी।